Good morning, everybody. So it is 73 degrees outside. We were actually had the heater on yesterday because it was 50 last night. That was cold.
It was an early morning.
It was. So
And a long night.
we've had a lot going on, but we are going to run around a little bit today and actually go do some stuff on the Airstream because we have a trip coming up this weekend, hopefully. So follow along with us. Carly wants to ride her bike, which she's doing really well at. So we're going to go down. We're also dog sitting. This is the last day dog sitting.
We're decorating.
So we're going to go decorate their RV because they're coming back today. So we're going to head down.
It's a long ride, girly.
We're going to follow you, Carly. We're riding the golf cart. Carly's been really into her bike lately. And look how fast she's going. And yes, don't grill me in the comments about her helmet. It's in the truck, which by the way is broken down. Not here. So I know she needs her helmet, but the truck is getting the transmission replaced. So we don't have the truck right now. And she just started riding it this fast. So, but yeah, we're gonna go say hi to our friends too. Look at her go. She's so fast. All right, so like I said, we are dog sitting. So we're letting out their big, adorable dog named Axel. But they're coming home today. So this is Carly's best friend. But yeah, it's been a fun week, but Carly hasn't been sleeping very well lately. So that's not been fun. She's been waking up in the middle of the night. And then about the truck. So about a week ago, we started noticing some issues with the truck. And it started slipping the transmission really, really badly. So luckily the warranty is actually covering the transmission. And we should have it back in a few days, hopefully. And then we're going to test taking the Airstream out to Tampa to visit some friends. But I'll show you their dog. It's cute. Look at how big he is. He's the cutest dog. Hi, big guy. He's twice the size of Lauren, but that's okay. We're going to take him on a little walk. His family's a few hours out. They've been gone for a week, and he's been very sad. We've had a group of what, 5 people that have been letting him out?
And doggy TV.
What up, Axel? Come here, bud. Axel, come here. Come here, big dude. No.
He's the sweetest little boy.
He's so big. Carly, let's take Axel for a walk. All right, well, our dog letting out duty is over, and now we're going back to see Wally. She's hiding behind this sail that's been there for like a week.
And some gators.
Look, there she is, Carly. There's Wally. So we are very happy to have been able to get a storage spot at the campground at Orlando. So yeah, Carly's jumping around in the background, but she definitely needs washed again. Not too bad, but there's been a lot of pollen falling everywhere. So like our truck was covered, our trailer was covered, everything. But we're gonna start working on this because hopefully this weekend we're taking it. We're also gonna be installing an internet solution in it. And
I'm very excited about
yeah, we're gonna show that in this video. We're installing our adventure board to track our stickers and everything. Like, you know, I have our sticker wall, but our sticker wall is migrating, well, extending. But look at this thing. Let's see if I can get Carly. There she is. Carly. So we're going to be installing our sticker board on the door here of the Airstream, and yeah, it needs cleaned up, but yeah, look at it.
Severely updated.
I know, we've been in a lot more places than that.
We've been here.
Not with the Airstream though. If you want to go by that rules.
Are we though?
I don't know.
We're not really gonna be taking us like everywhere.
Yeah, we are. Okay. But yeah, look at the inside. It's a mess because we threw everything in it after we got back from Ohio. What are you doing? Don't slam the door.
Carly, stop.
All right, so there we go. We are going to install that beautiful thing on the door here. And then I think we got white ocean, right?
Yes.
White ocean. And then, like, you know, we've had this forever. So this is our sticker wall. What are you doing, silly goose? What are you doing? Carly found her toys. The Airstream has dedicated toys now. But we've had the sticker wall here for a long time. You know, Hocking Hills and all the fun places we camped back in Ohio and everything like that all the time. But now we're going to start tracking stickers on this guy. Because if we ever do get rid of the Airstream, you know, they come with us. Carly, quiet down. So we're going to be installing it right there on the door. Eventually we're going to get a different map. But for now that works. But yeah, let's get this installed. All right, Mom's gonna open this bad boy up. Let's see what she looks like.
I've wanted one of these forever.
I've never seen this actually, so it's not been out of the box yet. Like, I know what they look like, but I've never seen our board. They're fun. Let's see what she looks like.
Look at this felt.
That looks cool. So you can see the waves. You see the waves on top of it.
I do know they have different tops.
Yeah, there's what, waves, mountain, forest.
Forest. I think they might have a canyon one.
Yeah, I think there's 4 different ones if I remember correctly.
I'll link the.
We'll link in the description below because we've also got a promo code if anyone wants one. But that is so cool looking. All right, let's get this bad boy right there on the door. All right, so of course, as soon as we go to install the adventure board, some guy in his power washer lights up over there. But it's fine. Check this out. Look at that. Let me flip this around. This is so cool. They give you a whole prep kit that comes with an alcohol wipe. You got the command strips and everything ready to go. And then that template sits on the door so that you can guide your board on right to the door, which is so nice. Look at that. You guys can tell me if you think it's level. I think it's pretty close.
Someone will say it's not.
Kevin will say it's not level, but you know, it's fine. All right, so we got it all installed. Look at that. I still got to peel it off in a minute to take the template off the back, but you can see our channel name in the bottom of it, which is awesome. It looks so good. I'm glad we did white. We were debating between white and black. I think the white looks really good with the Airstream. That looks cool.
I think this font needs to be in our logo.
That is cool.
Look at this.
I like that.
It just aligns with it.
All right, well, it's down to just Carly and I, and we're inside the good old Airstream. We're gonna get this thing cleaned up because it's a freaking mess. We did just get word from the Chevy dealer that our truck is not gonna be ready this week, so we'll see what we do this week. But we're gonna get this cleaned up. I'm gonna start with the bed, obviously. We washed all the sheets when we came back from Ohio, so I feel like I'm just gonna put this back together pretty quickly, but get this bad boy cleaned up. All right, so there we go. Got the bed all made. We got our blankets and stuff that get stored up here, then extra sheets and stuff, but that looks much better. Now I'm gonna move on to the underside of the bed actually, because Muffin's cage and stuff goes down there, but we're gonna get all that cleaned up and then we'll clean up the rest of it. So the Airstream is looking much better. I still need to wipe some things down and give a very good, take a freaking wipe to it, everything, cleaning wipe and clean stuff down. But look at it. Here, let me flip you around. Look at how much better it looks. Got the bed made. I'll give you a full tour of the Airstream here later once we get it all set up. But, you know, we got all things cleaned up. I still got to wipe some stuff down. But, yeah, pantry's looking good. I got to clean the whole kitchen still. But, yeah, we've got our TV mounted here on our desk. All that good stuff. All of Carly's toys are down here now. So, right there. But she has her, Airstream toys she'll take with us. And that's where Muffin sleeps, right down there. And we're going to have our batteries with our solar installed down there too. And we're going to install a permanent internet solution in the Airstream that's going to be right here because there's a plug right there. So, but yeah, it's looking so much better. I forgot I also cleaned up the bathroom, so it's looking much, much better. I still got to wipe everything down, but I also got the closet back in shape too. So, man, it's looking good. So good. Alrighty, well, that's going to do it for this video. We are slowly but surely getting the Airstream ready. I hope you're liking all the little updates on getting it ready. Next things we got going on is we got to get a new battery because obviously the battery's completely done. We have no power. So new battery, which is also going to get a new battery box. We're going to get propane tanks because those are expired now. Lock, all that good stuff. And then we got some new steps coming. And then we're going to start on some bigger things at some point. Solar, some batteries, inverter. I'd like to get some new tires because these are getting old. So, but yeah, we will see you guys in just a couple of days.